Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to invite a manager to your account on Bluehost. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Bluehost account. Then click on your profile icon from this corner and select user and roles. And next to the account that you want to give access to, click on manage. By the way, you can also check the available products and services under or in this account. Let's see them. I have a professional email, site log, and a web hosting package. Now click on manage. Scroll down to user roles and permissions. You can learn more about roles from here, and to add a new user, click on add user button. Now to invite someone to become a user on this account and choose their role. Let's call them, for example, tech guy. Let's fill in an email. For example, this email. Here, select the role that you want to give. You can select between admin or a tech. An access role or an admin role gives total access to the account except updating primary and who is registrant info. On the other hand, a tech role only manage and renew products and services. For this video, I will go with an admin role. Click on invite. You successfully invited a new user. And this is the message I've received from Bluehost. Access granted to the account for Ben. This is my account name. Hi customer, Ben wishes to make you the account administrative contact for the following account number and account holder. Click on the link below for instructions on gaining access to this account. Note, this link will expire 7 days after you receive this email. As an account administrative, this is good that they show the role type here. You can now purchase new services, maintain users' access rights, or modify all domain name registrations and services. If you don't wish to have access to this account, do not need to take any action. Now let's click on this link. You have been invited to become account administrator contact for the following account, my account number, the account holder. Also, to activate your access to this account, log in using your current user ID and password, or create a new user ID specifically for administrating this account. I think for new, if your invited person does not have a Bluehost account, they should create a new user ID from here. Create user ID password. For the user ID, it can't be your email address or your name. Here, create a password that you remember and choose a password security question. What was the name of your first manager? What was your favorite place to visit? Library card number. Who was your childhood hero? What's the name of your favorite teacher? Let's give it a name. Click on save. Please try another. You must be between Ben's experience founder. So my user, I think they can't accept special characters like @ for the user ID. Now I need to create my profile. Setup complete. You now have access to this account through your Bluehost user ID. Go to Account Manager Home. Your email isn't confirmed. Verify your email address to ensure your account remains secure. And just like that, now this is my invited account email address. And let's check the original one. And this is the original account email address. This is the another email message that I've received after creating my account. Contact successfully added to your account. This inbox is this inbox is of the invited person, not the original account holder. Account contact added. We recently received a request to add the account contact listed below to your account. If you believe someone requested, account info, number, new account contact type, requested by Ben. Your email isn't confirmed. I'm not sure. Let's create a security PIN number. To ensure the safety and security of your account, we need to verify that the email address provided belongs to you. This is the verification code, or yes, verification code. Verify your verified email. Let's skip this to recommend adding recovery options. Let's skip this, skip. And now if I click on this little profile icon on the invited account and go to the users and roles page, I can see accounts that I have access to, and this is my original account name. Let's open it. Now I have access to my original professional email and also the web hosting package. And this is how to invite a manager on your account on Bluehost. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.